All right, here we got some Meguiar's. This is cutting compound. This is Meguiar's 105 Ultra Glaze. We've got our DA, and I've got it set on about 5,800 RPM. We're going to liberally add this to the pad here. That's quite a bit, but I don't want to burn through the paint and screw up the beautiful finish here on the Vette. So we're going to take this and just kind of wipe it all over the damaged area, because we don't want any of it to sling. And we'll cut it off. Here we've got some .3 brake. Here we got some Here we've got some .3 brake fluid. I had several people from YouTube tell me to try this out, and I'm wiping it along where this big streak was, and as you can see, the streak is gone over here. So now I'm trying to hit this fender a little bit at a time, and it's literally taking it off. It doesn't take all that long, and it's working a little bit at a time. Just gotta keep at it. I mean, if nothing else, it'll at least make the car look a little better until I decide whether we're going to file an insurance claim or just replace the parts or whatever. Yeah, it's really coming off. It's looking a whole lot better. And here it is now. It's still not perfect. You're not going to make it perfect, but it does look a whole lot better without the blue streaks going down it. I got some touch up in the house. We could just touch that up there, but I mean, you're not going to touch that up. That's just fiberglass all hanging out. I'm thinking about just putting some Gorilla Tape over it temporarily to keep it from flaking off any worse. Maybe it's repairable. I don't know. But as far as the fender goes, for now, at least I would consider driving it again. You can see it's got a pretty good scrape still across the fender right there. Did the best I could with it. So, brake fluid, Meguiar's 105, some glass cleaner, and polishing, cutting pads, and some rags. I knew it wasn't going to be perfect. I just wanted it to look better, and it did. I'm happy with it. What do you think? And the finished product. I put Gorilla Tape here because this stuff just keeps flaking off, and eventually it's just going to be worse and worse. So this is just a temporary bandage. Gorilla Tape is great because it'll hold damn near anything. I got it way down there, and I used a flathead screwdriver to make sure it's stuck. And then I just patched it up over here. And I patched over here because we had some cracking going on over here. I just want to protect it as much as possible from any further damage, even though I'm pretty sure this door is just going to have to be replaced. We'll see, but if you notice, this is in the shape of an L. So there's my L. Loser for backing into my own car. Oh well, it's better than it was, and it should help it hold out until we figure out what to do with it. Santa baby forgot to mention one little thing. A ring. That's going to be it for the video, everybody. So after talking to Mike today, we sent the Impala down to him. He's going to get started on the paintwork tomorrow. He actually got a central heating unit put in his shop, so he's ready to paint any time of year now. He's on top of it. So I'm going to be pushing his channel more because he's ready. He's got everything ready. He's picking up the supplies tomorrow to paint the Impala. So please keep an eye on his channel, Weird Beard Auto Sales, because a lot of this stuff when it comes to the painting and bodywork, and he wants to get started on the Z next week. So I'm just giving you all a heads up. Weird Beard Auto Sales, please go subscribe, because some of this stuff like the Z, these long-term projects, this is going to be part 1, 2, 3, 4. One on mine, one on his, one on mine, one on his. When it comes to the Impala painting, that's going to be on his channel only. I'm going to help out with some of the video editing and getting the video cut down so you guys can see how it turns out. But it looks like we're a go. Come the 19th, he's got some time off work so he can spend more time helping with these cars. And I think the Z somewhere around the 21st to the 23rd, something like that, I think we're going to start on the Z. I think we're going to go pick up the rest of the parts, including that quarter section, and we're going to start cutting, welding, painting, and it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of fun. Now, for a little while, I'm going to just be watching this man because he's got the skill, he's got the experience. I'm going to watch, and I'm going to pay very close attention to what he does. I am probably not going to try to paint the Z. Everybody has told me that is a very difficult color to paint, and it's not a color to learn on. So I'm probably going to leave the Z alone. But it's that time, ladies and gentlemen. It's time you guys have been waiting for, and I've been waiting for. We're actually going to cut the Z apart, man. I'm stoked. I'm stoked. We're going to cut the Z apart. I'm so excited. And when we're done, it's going to be a beautiful car. And you guys made all this possible. You guys and Mike, I really do appreciate you, Mike, man. This is awesome. I'm so stoked to get this going. I'm ready to cut up a car, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. So big shout out to Mike, Weirdbeard Auto Sales. Go follow him on YouTube, because if you don't, you're going to miss out on parts of the videos that we're doing. I can't wait. I really can't wait. And I decided Mike, I say Mike and I, but probably Mike is going to do the Vette. I gave it a lot of thought and consideration. I mean, the Vette is my baby, but a lot of you pointed out to me, the Vette is not, this is not an exotic car. This is not a $60,000, $80,000, $150,000 car. It's a $30,000 10-year-old Corvette. While I do love the Vette and I enjoy the Vette, and that Vette is my baby. That's been my dream car since I was like 4 years old and had the little Hot Wheel of the Corvette I always wanted when I finally got one. Car is my baby, but I really believe Mike is more than capable of doing this, and hopefully, you know, I can help out. I want to help. I don't want Mike doing all the work. I want to help out. But I think it's just more great content for the channel, and I'm just excited. I'm nervous because the Vette is my baby, but I feel like if he can cut a car apart, weld it together, and repaint it, I'm pretty sure he can handle a scratch on a fender and some fiberglass work on a Vette. So stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Things around here are about to pop off. I know a lot of you have been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this. It's time. It's time. We're about to jump into all this. So I appreciate all of you for watching. Thank you for making all this possible. I appreciate it. I guarantee you, Mike, a.k.a. Weirdbeard, appreciates it. Let's do this. Stay safe out there, everybody. We'll catch you very soon in the next one.